At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A Superbill is an itemized document that lists healthcare services provided to a patient. It serves as the primary source of information for submitting a medical insurance claim. Healthcare providers send superbills to payers, typically insurance companies, so that patients can receive reimbursement for services rendered. Because the superbill plays such a critical role in the reimbursement process, it's essential to ensure it's complete, accurate, and properly formatted to avoid delays or rejected claims. Our Superbill template simplifies the billing process by organizing all essential sections in a clear, easy-to-fill format. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Enter provider, patient, and insurance details. Fill in key information, including provider name and NPI number, patient's full name, date of birth and address, insurance provider, and member ID. Step 2. List procedures provided. Document all services and procedures performed. Be sure to include CPT codes, any applicable modifiers, units, associated fees, and payment details. Refer to a list of commonly used CPT codes if needed to ensure accuracy. Step 3. Add diagnoses with ICD-10 codes. Each diagnosis should be paired with its appropriate ICD-10 code. Be sure to distinguish between CPT and ICD codes. Misuse of codes is a common reason for claim denials. Step 4. Calculate and confirm payment totals. Use the designated section to enter total charges, amount paid, and total due. This section ensures financial transparency and minimizes confusion for both patients and insurance providers. Step 5. Finalize, sign, and store. The final step is for the provider to sign the superbill, return a copy to either the patient or directly to the insurance company, and store a copy securely for record-keeping purposes. You can learn more about topics like the Superbill template in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.